Hello, friends. We learned about adding ing to the end of a word to make it mean that it's happening right now or in the present. And today we are going to recognize and use ed when forming the past tense of a verb. So we're going to practice adding ed to the end of a word to make it mean that it happened in the past, that it is something that already happened. So I made a chart up here and it has our objective at the top and it says today I and yesterday I. So we're going to put words under the today I section like walk and help. And then under yesterday I, we're going to add the ed to the end of the word to make it mean we did it yesterday and it happened in the past. So whenever you add ed to the end of a word, it makes it its past tense form. It means it already happened another day in the past. So we're going to go ahead and do some examples. So I already did walk. And if we want to make it yesterday I walked, we add the ed to the end. Here's the word help. And to change help to make it mean that it already happened, yesterday I helped. So we're going to add some more examples to this chart, and then you guys are going to be doing your own word sort and uploading a picture of your work. All right. So the next word, I'm going to write it on the chart, and I want to see if you guys can read it while I write it. Think about how we say that word. That is the word stop. We're going to change it to stopped with ed on the end. Yesterday I stopped. If we add the ed, it means it happened in the past. Stopped. Let's do another one. Let's do the word rake. What am I going to do to the word rake for under yesterday I? What can I do to make that sound right and make sense and mean that it happened in the past? It happened yesterday. Yesterday I raked. We're going to add the ed on the end. Yesterday I raked. Let's do a few more. Today we could use this in a sentence like, today I want pizza. Let's change it to yesterday I, what can I do to the word want to mean it happened in the past, it happened yesterday. You're right, I'm going to add the ed, wanted. Yesterday I wanted pizza. We're going to do one more. Here's the word count. Today I count my blessings. Yesterday I counted. If I'm talking about yesterday, that was another day, it already happened. So we're going to add the ed on the end of the action of whatever I was doing. So today for your assignment, you guys are going to be doing virtually the same thing. I'm going to give you words and you're going to change the word to mean that it happened yesterday or in the past.